Be ready. Start. A plain reading of the provisions suggests that all such institutions offering a course or training in teacher education prior to the Act coming into force are entitled to continue such course or training until the application is disposed of, provided such an application has been made within 6 months from the appointed day. Stop. The consequence of not being able to gain recognition is the discontinuance of the course. Stop. Once an application seeking recognition has been filed by the institution within the prescribed period of 6 months, the institution is entitled to continue offering a course or training in teacher education until the disposal of the application by the regional committee. Stop. Once the recognition is granted by the regional committee to the institution offering a course or training in teacher education, the same shall relate by to the day of filing of application. Stanza. Section 14 bracket 5 read with section 14 bracket 1 enables the institution offering a course or training in teacher education on the appointed day to continue the course or training as the case may be during the pendency of the application seeking recognition, and even in case of refusal of recognition, the course may have to be discontinued only at the end of academic session. Stop. The institution offering training or course is entitled to award degree or certificate as the case may be. Stanza. NCTE made its stand clear, as is evident from the impugned order, that after the enforcement of the NCTE at the existing institutions on the appointed day offering a course or training in teacher education are section 14 bracket 1 of the Act within a period of 6 months and until the disposal of their application by the regional committee. Stop. The degrees obtained during the pendency of the application are valid, and recognition of such institutions shall relate back to the date of application, and all such institutions shall be deemed to have been recognized for all purposes in view of section 14 bracket 1 of the NCTE Act. Stop. NCTE reiterated its stand before us. Stanza. Prior to the enactment of the NCTE Act, the degrees such B.Ed course for teacher education were being awarded by the universities or by the recognized institutions, by the University Grants Commission, or by such bodies as authorized by the University Grants Commission. Stop. It is unreasonable to hold that all those degrees granted by the universities or the bodies authorized by the University Grants Commission, as the case may be, were of substandard in nature in comparison to those degrees granted by the recognized institutions after the NCTE Act came into force. Stop. Such a view may amount to undermining the importance of the university education and the role played by the universities in promoting the education and educational standards. Full stop. Over.